I'm Sunny, and today I'm going to be showing you how I create the perfect holiday look using the Mercier Ballet à Paris Holiday Collection. This is the Prima Ballerina palette. I'm going to be applying this light nude pink. Next up, I'm going to use this color. With a small flat brush, I'm going to be extending out the shape of my eye. Next, I'm going to be using this beautiful rose champagne glitter color. I'm also going to add some of this shimmer to the inner corners. I'm just going to do the eyeliner and mascara. Now that the eye makeup is complete, I'm going to be using the Opening Night Cheek Trio. First, I'm going to be using the bronzer in this trio. Then I'm going to take this coral color blush. Then to finish the cheeks, I'm going to be using the highlighter in the trio. I'm finishing off my look with my favorite Rouge Essentiel lipstick. And that is the finished holiday look using the Mercier Holiday Collection.